Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review JBL's latest soundbar, that is JBL Moviebar 80. So let me quickly run through the specs. The model name, as you can see, is SB230. It's a 110 watt RMS output, and the frequency response as mentioned in the catalog is 40 to 20 kHz. Let's start with the box. The box looks quite nice. It's really well designed compared to the competitive products like Boat Avante series, and it's very nice to see the design, which is JBL's trademark. And as you can see, this is a made in China product, and it's newest arrival as manufactured in August 2020. As you can see, JBL's logo and with a Moviebar 80 mentioned. And unbox this. So here we go. We are just unboxing the main box. So as you can see, they have made two compartments for the soundbar and the subwoofer. Also, the accessories also will be in the small box. So I'm just taking out the subwoofer and the soundbar. So let's get rid of the main box. So here's the soundbar, and it's quite well packed. And also here's our subwoofer and all the accessories. So this packet has all the other accessories like cables, manual, installation manual. So let's open the cables. This is power cord, and here's wall mounting accessories. So this was kind of in the box. It was like soundbar, subwoofer. It is a wired subwoofer and remote, power cable, HDMI cable, operating manual, and the wall mounting accessories. So this is in the box, and also some safety manuals as well. Yeah, let's unbox the subwoofer first. And here is our subwoofer. It's quite well designed, and you can see the serial numbers and all here. And here's our soundbar, and this is also well designed, and it's like the manufacturing quality is really good. And as you can see, it's a glossy finish all around except the front face. And here is all the connectors. You can see optical. The first one is for a subwoofer connection, and second is the optical one, which you can use it for optical input, optical audio input. And third one is HDMI ARC. So HDMI ARC, you can use it if your TV support ARC out, that is audio return channel. And third is USB port, that is only for service, so it's not, we will not have any use for it. And as you can see, the back side, the bottom side is having two stands for keeping it in the floor or on the table. And the front is really well finished, mesh finished, and you can't see the speakers inside. Overall, the design looks very good, superb, and the build quality is 10 out of 10. Here's the remote, and the remote is also well built. The build quality is good compared to the other JBL soundbar remotes, and it has got a few switches. As you can see, the top is a power button, and there is a mute button, and all the audio controls comes in a center circle. And there is left side you have all the source selection button, and which includes Bluetooth, optical, HDMI. And the right side, 3 buttons is for selecting the music mode, so which means you can select from out of 3, which is movie, music, or news. So this will give you equalizers for the different audios. And here you can see this has got 3 LEDs. One is blue, red, and white. So this is to let you know that which mode or which source are you in. You can understand which mode is selected. So once again, I'm running through this. This is glossy finish on the top and all 3 sides, and because of this glossy finish, it's attracting a lot of dust. As you can see, I just opened it 1 hour back, and I got quite a lot of dust. Now I look. So because of this glossy finish, it's kind of a dust magnet finish. And here you can see the top buttons are for control from the bar. So equalizer button is for selecting modes, and the volume control and the source selection and power button. And here you have all the information written, the power ratings and all there, and you have the power thing. So let's power it up. First let me connect the subwoofer, and here you go. I just powered it, and you have to press the power button. It will be on. So when it's red, it is powered on, but in standby. So you have to switch it on from the remote. And let me connect through my Bluetooth. So I have connected my phone using Bluetooth. So let's play and see how it sounds. As you can see, I have disconnected a subwoofer in routine to show you how the performance of a soundbar alone. So I don't recommend the soundbar to play alone because its low range is very bad, and it's not sounding that great. But when you connect this subwoofer, it sounds really good. And for this price range, I will suggest this is the best one currently available on the market. So let's go to the pros of this soundbar. As I mentioned already, it's great sounding and ARC connectivity good because you can use the Dolby digital sounds and all the features of Dolby in which your TV might have. And third is Bluetooth connectivity is simple, and I have not experienced any distortion in the Bluetooth connectivity. As they mentioned, 10 meters range, so it works even after 10 minutes also. I've tested. And frequency response, as in catalog, it's from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, but when I tested it, it was just from 40 Hz to 15 kHz, but that is quite good. It has got a wired subwoofer. Because it's wired, there is no interference problem, and it works well and good always. And let's move on to the cons. Please note that cons I just mentioned because I have to find some cons. So this is like it's personal. These opinions are quite personal. So first thing I found, it's no aux connectivity. Either we don't have any coaxial option or 3.5mm jack option. So I would prefer my soundbar to have that. So it will be AC connectivity for me. And second one, I would prefer my soundbar to have a USB playback option so that I can just plug in my pen drive with songs and play my songs there. So only that two I found as a cons for this product. And my final verdict for this product is it is a really great buy for this price range. So I got this product from Flipkart in the Big Billion Day sales. I got it for 6,999, and that is really worth every penny. So this is my brief review and unboxing for this soundbar, and I did doing a detailed review with the all modes and connectivity. So tune in for that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want me to improve something, let me know. Thank you guys.